So we just got to Chiang Mai and it's a lot going on. It's rush hour right now. People are getting out of school. It's a school day. And we made it to the hotel finally. So I forgot to do this in the last one, so I'm gonna do it here today. This is gonna be a hotel review or whatever, a walkthrough. It's a really nice room. It's small, but it's everything I need. So I'm gonna show you the room. This is the door, and it's really cool because you can just like lock it and everything, and instead of doing that little thing on the door handle in the morning, if you want them to make it up, you press the makeup button. If you don't want to be disturbed, you just press the do not disturb button. Or if someone's coming in or ringing the doorbell on the other side, you press please wait, and they can wait. So that's really cool. Here's the desk. Simple. And they have a TV, and they have like a lot of English shows too, which is cool. And they have a small fridge down there. They have a little safe and some little cute coffee mugs. That's the hotel we're staying in. It's Itsy or whatever. And then they have a little hanging mirror situation here. Air condition, which is pumping right now. Feels really good. A nice little balcony window seat type thing. And let's see if I can see what I'm gonna be viewing. This is the view from my window. Not very much to see, but that's okay because I'm gonna be going out on the town and seeing what's there. A little nightstand right here with a little quote. And you have a cute little bed. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Shower cap, soap, cotton swabs, and toothbrush. Aww, that's really nice. And then they have quotes everywhere. There's some in the hallway too, that's really cute. Oh, that's cute. They have 2 hair dryers. That's one more than I need. And they have this adorable bathroom. It's small, but it's big enough for one person. That's really cute. And the sink and the mirror. And they have this nice bathroom shower. So, and the frosted glass right here, so you can't see through on the other side. So that is the room. So I'm back at the hotel. We walked around for a bit. We didn't do anything really. We went and picked up some snacks for tomorrow because we did book our elephant sanctuary excursion out of the city, and that will be at like 6:30 in the morning. These really early mornings seem to be working for us because I haven't really been able to sleep with the time change. I'm not getting used to it yet, so I'm up anyway, so I might as well go see some elephants. So we booked that, and we're talking to the ticket guy, and he also has a bunch of other activities that we can do. And so we're also gonna go back tomorrow and book another activity. We're gonna go see what else we can do. Like, they have a lot of options, like cooking, motorbike tours, temple tours, and I think just like learning some Thai culture classes. A lot of options. So we're gonna go back tomorrow and see what else we want to do while we're here in Chiang Mai, what we can do. And it's just gonna be a lot of fun because the city is a lot bigger than Krabi, because Krabi is like a small beach town, and there's always something to do. I can already tell that right now. There's always something to do. It started raining, so we came back and we're gonna get an early bed time so we can have enough energy for the morning and the elephants. So I can't wait to see them tomorrow. I'm so excited to be out there like in the jungle area and like bathing them and feeding them and learning how they take care of them in the sanctuaries. So I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning. We're here. the elephant sanctuary. And there's the elephants. I'm so ready for this.
This is the way to connect with the elephant. Feed them banana and watermelon. It's compared with the chocolate or dessert. So this one is not the main food. Just put into the mouth like this. Just eat your finger. Go on. This straight away. You stay beside him some more.
Here you go. Oh, you stole them from me. Here.